Alright.
What's up, motherfucker? Or hit him with the, here's Johnny!
Hey. Oh my god.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy JP.
And David.
Back at it again with another video. So today we have two Berserk Ultimate Premium Master Lines from Prime1 Studios. These were sent to us from our boy Jim Mint. Thank you so much for sending it this way. So we have, so this is either gonna be part 1 or part 2 of the video that you'll be watching.
Yeah.
We're just gonna put these for both the intro.
Yeah, same intro for both, so you're gonna see the same thing, but we're gonna be doing both of these statues.
Yeah, so these are very, very exciting statues. I'm very looking forward to what they, what it looks like when it's built together. Because I know Prime1 and Berserk, they do really well with Berserk statues, especially when it comes to guts, the details, the blood and everything. I think it's gonna be the most violent statue that we'll see from the Prime1 Studio line.
Yeah, if you ever read the story of Berserk, you know it's gory, it's very adult. So let's see how the statues compare to that, you know?
Yeah, so if you guys are like, don't want to see any violence or people chopped in half and stuff like that, you can watch the next video. But if you do want to see it, I like you. We'll see you. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you guys at the end.
All right.
Take care. Alright, so we just finished the unboxing of this Berserk statue. So it comes with 2 boxes. One of them has 2 layers. So this is box 1 and this is box 2. So this is, guts and his bodies and pieces and all that. And this one has all the bases and little puck here, little berry.
Yeah.
But yeah, so we're gonna build it out for y'all. Hopefully, we don't mess up. Now it is. Alright.
So let's see how it goes. This is an enormous base, bro. Alright, I'll move it over here. I got you. So move that base a little bit back. Once I put this one up, then I'll move this back.
No pressure.
No.
Oh!
Got it?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh! Alright, so here's the base, guys. This looks intense.
Yeah.
This was a lot deeper than I thought. I didn't expect it to be this deep.
Yeah.
But
like we can't show you the bottom. This thing is heavy.
Yeah.
Heavy.
But yeah, this is really cool. I dig it. I like the what's it called? Guts spirit animal, I guess. He's like a wolf or something. So this is really cool.
A demon wolf. All right. So this is basically a monster he killed. As you can see there. Cut right there. There's a big old sword slash. Okay.
So either here or here.
I'm gonna say this has a pin, so I'm guessing that's where guts goes. I'm gonna say right there.
So this one then. Okay.
Let's
maybe
take a look.
facing out.
We can check.
So here. Cool.
Wow, that was
Look
pretty
at that.
easy.
There we go. We have the big old slash right here. That was really neat. And then you have...
Look at his eyeballs popping off.
Oh yeah, his eyeballs popping out. This one's intense. This is the most graphic statue I've ever seen so far.
Look at this. I didn't see that little baby thing. Look right there. Look, it has a face.
Oh yeah, the little... I forgot what it's called, but they come out that thing. That's crazy. Yeah, so this one is very intense. I like it though. You have the little brains right here and everything too.
Yeah.
I like the glossy look of it so far though.
Yeah.
Cool.
Okay.
Alright, what else we got? More
I'm
accessory
gonna
pieces?
say yes, but I'm thinking these are maybe afterwards. It looks like they don't actually have anything where they go. You see?
Yeah. Alright, we'll put Guts' body on then and see.
Yeah.
Guts! So we have his foot here and pin. There we go. So here's his body on here. Really, really neat.
Okay, I'll move this a little bit up. Look, it's gonna be taller than I thought.
There you go. Look at that.
Okay. I'm thinking this tree Goes in that piece right there. Yeah. Okay.
So we have the tree bark.
With a face.
What a fish! Oh, the demon trees. Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe this way.
Yeah.
There's the pin. Go.
There you go.
So here's the tree.
Okay.
This one's intense.
Yeah.
I feel like this is going to be more impressive than the Witcher statue.
This is very, very intense.
Arm.
Nope. Yes.
Well, I didn't know if he's going to hold his sword like on the back of his head, you know?
Gotcha. You're right. There's his face. He comes with 2 heads.
Yeah, so here's his other portrait.
Let me show you his close-up of this. This is one. He's like smiling, looking at you with his one good eye. And then this is the one where he's more serious. He's like, no, I don't have time for this. I like that he has a little, he has bangs.
Yeah. I guess this one he's like holding a fire stick. I don't know.
No, that's where the bottom of the sword.
Oh, that's the sword.
Yeah.
Oh.
he said it's a fire stick.
I thought it was like a torch. You know, I was like, oh, it's dark.
Oh my god.
How am I supposed to slide this?
Oh, it fits like in the. Does it fit right there in the?
I don't even know, man.
Bro. Let's see.
I didn't set it up here first or something.
Yeah. Does it fit like that?
No.
No.
But you have to see that myself.
Yeah.
Like this.
His sword doesn't have like a. What do you call it? A hilt?
I mean, here's another one right here.
Okay.
I don't know which one goes to which though.
Okay. So you can either have his sword up, or you can have his sword down. Which? Let me see where it would rest. Okay. Wait. Try it without try it. My wrist.
What is that?
Yeah, which one? There's only one blade, right?
There's 2. Oh, I think this is the one that rests down.
Okay.
That's right there.
Yeah. Okay. It has a way of fitting into it.
Yeah, so this one's the one that fits down. Let's say, stick this arm back. This here.
You got it? Ah, okay, so it looks like it's in the guys. Okay, hold on.
Well, David looks like that. We have his cape. The cape is really cool. You know, I was so used to opening Sideshow's capes, so this one's actually whatever it is, resin. Oh, I don't know what it is, but you know, it's not fabric where you just move around and stuff like that. So hard as a rock.
Okay, so this does have a broken piece. You aware of that?
Yeah, he told me.
Okay, just making sure.
Where's the broken piece at?
It's right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I don't know how to put on this cape.
Let's put it on. Put this tree on afterwards.
Get out of here, tree.
Okay. Okay, it has a, what do you call it?
The pin.
Yeah, I have a pin. Look at this. Oh, okay. Oh, it's going on. Oh, there we go. How's that look?
Is the pin in that way?
Yeah, there.
Okay, can you pop that in? Ta-da!
Okay.
There we go.
Now we can put the tree.
So we do have a chip on the shoulder right here, I believe. It fell off, maybe. I mean, he wasn't battle, so.
Okay.
All right.
And then these accessory pieces. What do we have over there? That's his. He's on the hilt, right? Yeah.
Oh yeah, someone. I mean, there's one right here.
Oh, wait, no.
It's on the side.
Ah, there we go. Yeah.
So I don't know which one goes to which, but there we go.
Okay. There. We have some.
The sword. These are here.
Okay. This goes somewhere in the front, probably.
Maybe this is if he doesn't have it a cape on. We go this back.
Mm.
I'm not sure. I don't really see any other thing.
Oh, you put the sword here, right?
Yeah.
Do we have a top part? Oh, right here.
Yeah, I don't really see a nice one. I think this may be going on his neck.
Oh, right there.
Right here. Oh, okay. There we go. Cool.
Okay, now these ghosts. These ghosts. It has a magnetic pot right there.
Goes my over.
Let's see you. Let's see what that is.
Scabby.
One more. Okay.
So this is a pretty impressive piece.
This is.
I like it.
I'm super
But I
impressed.
want to keep it. I don't know. I really like the fox though. This is a 5 out of 5 base.
Yeah, this is impressive. Okay, where do these little pieces go? We got.
I think it should only be one because these are different styles of puck.
Yeah? Does he go on his shoulder? No. Does he go on his...
I don't see like anything that you could put it on. Unless
Oh,
you stick it
this one
on.
does. So where would he go? Here?
I think like once you display it, you better to stick it on the base. The only
Sure.
other pin I can see is like on the blade.
Yeah, but I don't think they would put it there.
Is that it?
I'm thinking so. That's the only other one I see that has a little pin. Maybe the tree?
We have like pins, like oh, there's this hole right there. Okay, well,
Actually, it might.
this one has a pin too. And then, you know, like he's cheering, like, yeah, you did it.
Oh no, this goes. Okay, okay. This one, look. If you don't want. So basically, you can choose if you want to have the fairies there or if you don't. So that they show up like they're celebrating. Okay, you won. Okay, cool.
I like that one better.
Yeah. No puck. Are they all the same puck?
I
I don't remember.
I don't
He
remember.
looks cool like that anyway. Go ahead and sit down and enjoy the show, bro. Yeah, I'll do one of him and then I'll show the base itself because you're right. This is a 5 out of 5 base if I've ever seen one. Now the base. Okay, now I'm gonna go in for the detail stuff right there. Let me show a little puck. Wolf friend. Okay. Switch over to the tree. And you got your friendly ghosts coming out. No, they're not friendly. Aren't they like the spirits of the...
Yeah, they follow him out everywhere he goes.
Yeah. Man, that monster looks really cool with the sword in its head.
Yeah.
Very cool. Yes, so looks like he's basically resting it. He's holding it like that. There we go. Oh yeah. Yeah. I think this one's impressive because it makes the sword look much bigger, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's look. With the sword up. Very cool. Yeah. No? There we go. So there it is with the sword. Looks very cool.
Makes the statue look very massive.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah. So if you didn't have the space, you go with the other one. If you have the space to put that sword, because it adds a lot of height. That's like 10 inches. That's what she said. Oh. Guts, get them for me, Guts.
All right.
Very cool.